Hey guys, Joey here with Tech, and this is just gonna be a quick little video on the process of getting the Google Play Store and Google Play services on your Huawei Mate 30 or Mate 30 Pro. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This is not an official process. The steps taken here worked for us but are not guaranteed to work for you. And of course, do this at your own risk. So the first thing you have to do is download a specific Google Play Store installer APK, specifically the one that works with Honor devices. We'll have the download link in the description box down below. Then you open the file, then basically grant all the permissions it asks for. Then hit install. Then open the installer app from your home screen, tap the blue buttons, then tap activate. Then hit the blue button again. Then basically the Google Play Store, Google Play services, and other required files will begin to install. So just wait for everything to finish. And if these steps did not work, just try to repeat the process until it does. And voila, there you go. You can simply change the language to English if you want, then sign in, and yeah, the Google Play Store app will now appear on your home screen as well, and you can sign in from there. And here it is in action, guys, the Google Play Store working on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Now it's just a matter of getting all the apps you want. Easy. So that wraps it up for this video. If you guys tried this on your Mate 30 or Mate 30 Pro, do let us know in the comments down below if it worked. And as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews, and thanks for watching.